Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to search SMS and Android. Here are the simple steps to help you search SMS messages on an Android device. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Open the Messages app, can be called Messages, Google Messages, or SMS. Make sure you're on the main screen, showing all your message conversations. Tap the search icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. The search bar will appear at the top. Tap on the search bar to bring up the keyboard. Type the keyword you want to search, for example, a name, phone number, or specific word in the message. As you type, matching conversations and messages will begin to appear below. Look under each result. The app will highlight the exact text match inside the messages. Tap on any of the search results to open the conversation. For example, this grab. The app will open the thread and jump to the matching message within the conversation. From here, you can read, reply, copy, or delete the message as needed. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.